Right, crunch time. I put another wick in. I've tried it, it's wet. I lit it just to make sure it's actually working. And now's the time for test run. You can see I ain't done anything yet. Look, it's still got old really cobwebs everywhere. So I've put a little bit of oil around and we'll see if we can get the old girl going. So the proof of the pudding is in the eating. I have oiled it. It seems to have compression now. Seems to have compression. It was stiff as a board when it had like grease in there. So it was stiff, and I scraped that off the side. But let's give it a go. I'll give it a minute or two. Give it a minute or two. Give it a chance. I mean, this don't look like it's been. Bloody hell! Don't look like it's been had anything done to it or used for a long time. How rusty it is. Probably been in someone's loft or cellar. No way. No way. Straight away. Would you believe it? On the original burner and all. Nothing else to fit in there. What can I say? Oh, slowing down. Can't believe that. Stirling engines are temperamental ones, so when they're worn, you have to play about with them a lot. But the flame's probably dying down because that's slowing down. Huh? Wow, I can't believe that. I'm really pleased with that. Tiny little piston. 121 years old and still working. I have got a soft spot for these little models. I need to join a club because I would like to. I've got so many machines now. I could do a little display. No steam, no water, just that. Very nice. Very nice. And it's got the fins to try and keep that part cool, which allow it to run longer. Because if this part warms up, it will stop running. It relies on the differential of temperatures. Hear that? Hear that? RF Typhoon again. There's a lot going on at the moment, so I suppose I need to be practicing. Very nice. Very nice. But if you like these machines, guys, do a like and subscribe. I'm putting plenty on at the moment. I enjoy them. I really enjoy them. So I'm going to call it a day now. I'm going to leave it at that. But yeah, do a like and subscribe, and you'll see more of this sort of thing. Cheers, guys.